welcome to my channel guys. We will check out all. Guys, this work there is a problem for this work. We are removing this sheet because it has bubbles. So we are going to change this one panel. This one. So we will start removing all this plastic. Okay? So in this case, we are removing this first because the screw is here. You see the screw? That is the screw inside. So in this area, this is the joint one. The screw is on the inside. So I will remove from the right side, not on this side. Check all the male side. Remove the male side before to remove this one. That is the best way. One tip. Okay guys, I will give you update while after I'm fixing the new sheet. So in removing of this sandwich panel cladding, we are starting on the right side, which is the screw is exposed, because in this joint you cannot see the screw. So we will start on the right side to change this panel. See, for that damaged area. This is a 10 centimeter sandwich panel bari foam. Guys, I will update you. I will give you update after I remove all those flashings. And this one panel, I will show you how I remove. That is a simple way. Also simple way, if you will start to remove on the right side, very easy to make. But we are using, of course, the crane, the equipment for lifting this panel. Guys, we will start to remove now this small parts first, then going to the outside, which you see the panel have damage. We are going to change this one to a new one. Now, there we go. Now, the small piece will be removed first by manual, because it is not no need to use crane because it is not heavy. The small pieces, then continue removing by using crane of another panel. You see, now the last portion now I will remove, which is the damaged one, and I am going to take it continuously by using the crane because it is heavy. Like that. It is very simple, and we are always supporting on the bottom one. As you see, I have angle fabricator to support the bottom. Then it will hold the bottom parts with the belt, fixing on the damaged panel. You see guys. And now guys, you see we remove already the existing panel. Then we will start to fix the new one. And you see now, we are very carefully lifting this one to make in shape, not to damage the existing wall. That's why we are using this crane forklift to support and to help us by lifting this type of repairing works. Repairing works is very hard because you are removing and you are replacing the new one, guys. Continue. We will continue it for changing. are continuing fixing and returning the panel that we are removed. The pieces that we are replacing is already fixed. As you see now, they are continuing fixing, and by using the forklift box, we are doing our job very easy by using this one, because the people can do move easily by using this forklift box, not other if you are using by scaffolding. And also one tip is you are using a fabricated angle for lifting the support. Then after you remove this one, you just put the bottom support a temporary, same like timber, to make the level good of this sandwich panel. Because if you are not doing this very hard to make a level this panel due to heavy load, you cannot lift it by hand only. You can lift it by using some item to make a level. Guys, as you can see now, these people are using wood now to make the good elevation level of the bottom of this panel. And by doing this, you can easily fix this as same as before. The joint, you must be have a specified joint as per required on the installation. This, the gap must be minimized by 5 millimeter, the gap of this two sandwich panel. You must be maintain this gap, guys. So in this matter, you are easily doing your work nicely. Ay, video. And guys, at natapos ng palitan natin yung yero na ito, at makikita nyo wala na yung honeycomb. Guys, already done, change all the panel, and I replaced the one panel that have a damage. Now you see now. Guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope that you can see how we change this damaged panel. Thank you very much for watching, and mega love shout out to everybody. Ingat po tayo, take care, and bye bye. God bless. Guys, here is the work now. We are completely done changing this panel. We also return the flashing that we are removed. You see on the side, it is a fully finished now. Even though the color of the sheet is not same, no, later after a week, all color must be the same, because this panel is new. And that's why you can find it that maybe you say that why this is another color, because of this panel is new, and the other panel is a very long time we fixed. And this is it, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you get some idea regarding how to change, to repair this wall cladding. Bye bye, and God bless to all.